A lot of people can't handle it. The sight of a damaged body, dislocated parts, shattered glass. They shield their eyes and look away. Then, there are those who are strong and curious, unafraid to look damage in the eye and to learn how to repair it. Those who want to dig in with both hands and make a career out of it. Estimate, shape, weld, bend, spray, calibrate, detail. Make it look like whatever happened never happened. If that's you, there's a long and rewarding future in the collision industry. It's great work that's stable, interesting, pays well, and makes a difference. Be an estimator, a paint tech, a body tech, a detailer. Turn mangled wrecks back into magnificent machines people can love again. Your collision career starts here.